In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can decorate your Easter decorations craft kit. To decorate your Easter egg decorations, start by applying your turquoise ink pad to your Easter egg rubber stamp. Then stamp directly onto your wooden decoration. Continue to stamp your pattern, reapplying your ink between every impression. In this example, we are stamping in rows across the Easter egg. We design and make all of our wooden craft shapes, which we laser cut out of the finest birch wood from Scandinavia. We then sand them smoothly on both sides, ready for you to get stamping. Plus, as we use a real wood, there's no need to prime. Once you are happy with your stamped pattern, you can create shading around the edge of your Easter egg using the sponge ink pad. Now on to our second Easter egg. This time, instead of stamping in rows, we are going to stamp randomly on the Easter egg. To do this, twist and turn your rubber stamp to get a different direction each time, and to achieve a seamless pattern, you can stamp off the edge of the wooden egg. Continue to stamp all over your egg, just remembering to reapply the ink between every impression. Then you can shade around the edge of your egg again. You can press harder for a darker colour and lighter for a lighter colour. You can then decorate the other side of your Easter eggs. Next, you can decorate your Easter bunny decorations using the same technique as we did with the Easter egg. You can stamp randomly all over the wooden shape. Just remember to twist and turn your rubber stamp between every impression, and you can stamp off the edge of the shape as well. Shade around the edge of your bunny using your turquoise ink pad. You can use the tip of your ink pad to help you in the trickier areas. On our next Easter bunny, we're going to be using the masking technique. So to do this, you'll just need a scrap piece of paper and then line up the paper against the bunny's tail and press your ink pad straight onto the wood. When you take your paper away, you'll have a really neat edge. Repeat the same technique on the bunny's ears. To decorate the body, I'm going to stamp in rows across the bunny, using the same technique as on the first Easter egg. To soften the edge of my Easter decoration, I'm going to shade around the edge of my bunny and around the mast areas. Once you've decorated all your Easter decorations, leave them to dry for about 20 minutes. To clean your rubber stamp, stamp repeatedly onto a wet wipe or a damp cloth until all the ink residue is gone. Once all of your decorations are dry, you can then thread each decoration with a pastel ribbon, secure each one with a tight knot at the top, and then thread the knot to the back of the decoration. Once you have threaded all of your Easter decorations, they are ready to be displayed.